Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I started the day off exercising. Your girl is tired. Okay, do you hear me? Tired. I look tired. Look at my hair. It look a mess. And I don't know what I'm supposed to do for the rest of the week because I have clients this weekend and I can't be outside looking raggedy. But that's neither here or there. Today is Wednesday, February 15th. I decided to do a day in the life today. Try not to beat myself up too much for not uploading on Sunday. But your girl was just going through the emotions last week. I managed to get a video out last week, just not two. So I'm not gonna beat myself up too much. But I kind of am because I'm trying to grow my channel. Finally trying to be consistent. It's not easy. Trying to do YouTube, come up with ideas, record, edit. But I like doing it. And managing doing makeup. I don't know what's gonna happen when it's wedding season for me because June is already looking crazy, but we got this. I need to go grocery shopping today because ain't no food here, and I can't be trying to work out and then you don't eat. That defeats the purpose. Okay. So I did the 12-3-30 workout. Whoever said that workout was easy, they lied, because that workout is so intense. Like, you have to keep pushing through every 5 minutes or you gonna just quit. What I did wrong was I forgot to bring my energy drink down. Now I brought some water instead, but I know for next time, you know. Can y'all stop fighting, please? Whatever y'all got going on, it's not that serious. But let's get on with the day. I'm gonna go get ready and then I'll be right back.
While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? Put the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going down. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if this with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? Put the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
All right, you guys, we are back from shopping. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I bought this for my business stuff. I got some hand towels for just in case they use the bathroom. I made sure to get some water. And I also picked this up for my desk. I liked it because it has a lid. It's a pencil box, but it's glass. This can hide my pens and my hard drive and all my little connector pieces on my desk. And this will be cute and out the way. Okay. Okay, so I got some brioche bread from Target because I want to make some French toast. But I need to get some more breakfast stuff. I didn't think about that part. I got some salmon, That's what I'm gonna cook tonight. I should have got something to eat for right now. I wasn't thinking. Okay. And we got some bananas. And we got the water filter. Bam. I got the big one because I spend a lot of time at home and I would rather just keep filling this up instead of keep buying bottles of water like I told you guys. This one is the 27 cups. It has one filter in it and it needs to be replaced every 2 months. Do it have the one filter in it? Okay, it's in there. I got the white gray one just so it matches everything in the refrigerator, aesthetic purposes, you know. Now from Trader Joe's, I got some eggs. They weren't that pricey. I got these cinnamon coffee cake muffins. These be hidden. Y'all need to get these. And they're gluten-free. Even though they're gluten-free, they're still really, really good. But y'all definitely should try these. I got this two-skin pan, two-scone, however you pronounce it, I'm sorry, pan. I think this is sourdough bread. It's a classic Italian bread. I like this for sandwiches and when I'm doing like avocado and egg. It's really, really good. I got tons of fruit. I want to be able to put this in my water too. And then I also got this. I kept seeing people get these and I know my boyfriend likes the burrito, so I wanted to try it out. So maybe we could eat this for dinner tomorrow or whenever he feel like cooking this. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Oh, and I got some clothes. Let me show you. So for clothes, y'all see me get the little white set. It's like a little pajama set that you can wear. Let me show you. Hopefully it don't lean. It's like a little pajama set. It's kind of like linen. I had seen, what is her name? Face Over Matter. She had it on and I thought it was cute. I've been looking for this for weeks. Okay, everybody had the shirt but not the shorts. Now I got these in a small. Probably should have got them in a medium, but like I said, we trying to fit back into a small. Okay, and then I also got this as well. I got these cute orange shorts. I like how neon they are, neon orange. This will go cute with my neon pink purse that I bought a couple of years ago. And then I got this sweater material tank top. Is black, as you can see. It's like knit. Maybe that's the best word to use for it. But yes, so I like this. I got these things. I am satisfied with them. But I'm about to put this food up and then I have to give my dog a bath because she had an accident and we don't want her to feel embarrassed, you know. So we about to put the groceries up and then we're going to give her a bath.
And I'm the smoker, we raise the bet. Cause you're the joker, you are the joke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the rock, yeah. When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and eyes with your pretty little hands. Even when we're down to the wire, baby. Even when it's even war time, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. Even when the sun don't shine,
I'm excited because I think I found a therapist. I decided to go back to therapy. I ain't been to therapy in since before the pandemic. I think I stopped going to him maybe a year or two prior to going to the pandemic. I just felt like that therapist, it wasn't working out. I feel like he was more in my business than trying to help me. Like he was kikiing with me. I'm like, sir, we here to be working on some things, not you trying to find out the latest tea. Like, no. But crazy thing is, what a coincidence is, this therapist is in the same building. But luckily they offer virtual therapy sessions. So I think I might do that. And some days when I just feel like going out the house, I'll just go to therapy. Because I need to get out the house more. And it's a lot of stuff that I need to work on. Like controlling my emotions just a little bit more. Because I'm definitely an overthinker. And sometimes I can paralyze myself and don't get nothing done because of that. So yeah. And it's not that expensive. But yeah, today has been very eventful, which is crazy. Because I be the main one to some, I don't have nothing to talk about. Like I'm talkative once you get to know me. And that could be very sporadic. But other than that, it's either I'm talkative or I'm quiet. So I be trying to find a balance because it's hard. But yeah, that's all that's on my mind right now. All right, you guys, so we are going to season the salmon and let it marinate until he get here, because I forgot to get some rice. So we having salmon, and then we're going to have this from Trader Joe's, the Asian style veggie with the sauce with some rice, and let it be that. Okay, we're gonna keep it nice and healthy. Okay, so I'm going to pat it dry just to get all the excess moisture out of it. All right. And then I'm going to cut it into slices. My knives are not that good, so it's hard to cut the salmon skin, even with me sharpening. So definitely time for some new knives. These were good while they lasted. Come on. There we go. Put all of these in a clear bowl. Thing. So I'm going to add some sea salt, some black pepper. I'm going to put some Old Bay in there. And then I'm going to add this. I've been liking this. I've been trying to try out new seasonings. So I'm going to use this Smokehouse Maple. And then so that it marinates, I'm going to use this olive oil from Trader Joe's. Just pour it in there. Then we're just gonna rub it in there so it all gets coated. Okay, I'm gonna use some saran wrap. This is our seasoned salmon. And then I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna come back.
This one I can do.